Jai Srimannarayana. 6th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ye tu sarvani karmani mayi sannasya matparaha ananyenaiva yogena mam dhyayanta upasate. Om. Dedicate all your actions to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma should be your supreme goal. Worship and meditate upon Sri Krishna Paramatma with exclusive devotion. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall dedicate all my actions to you. O Krishna, you are my supreme goal. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall meditate and worship you with exclusive devotion. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadravasangyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 213th day. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the magics, their birthplace is Srihari Srimannarayana. Now Chaturmukha Brahma tried to cause illusion to such great Srihari Srimannarayana. And he failed. He himself fell into Maya. Now he is thinking like this, Chaturmukha Brahma. Puttiti, long time back I am born. Buddhiyeringiti puttinchiti jagamu. After I am born, I got knowledge And with that knowledge, with that wisdom, I did creation, I did this entire Srishti Karyam. Sagamu poyanu prayamu. Now I am 50 years old. I am halfway of my life span. In this entire of my half lifetime experience, ఇట్టి వినూతన సృష్టులు పుట్టుటలే దౌర ఇట్టి భూమెలు భూమిన్. I have never seen such wonderful creation. That means same kind of baby cows, same kind of boys, and same in total, in number. I have never seen this kind of Srishti till now in my entire experience. That means on this bhumi which I have created, there are so many other magics that I do not know. What a surprise! Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma getting shocked to see Sri Mahavishnu's Maya. Chaturmukha Brahma also thinks that, yes, I have Saraswati Devi with me. He has that kind of little bit proudness. And he feels that I have 4 heads. Such 4-headed Chaturmukha Brahma, he got to see the magic which is created by great magician Sri Mahavishnu. The illusion that is created by great Mahavishnu. Chaturmukha Brahma got shocked to see that, got shivered to see that, and he stepped back, and then he started thinking in many ways in his mind while looking at all those boys and baby cows in Vrindavanam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 6th sloka. Yetu sarvani karmani mayi sanyasya matparaha ananyenaiva yogena mam dhyayanta upasate. Yetu sarvani karmani mayi sanyasya matparaha ananyenaiva yogena mam dhyayanta upasate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.